You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This means year in French. That's the meaning in English. Year, a year. Like from January to December, a year. There are different words for year in French, but that's one of them. That's also a syllable. It's going to be the same pronunciation if you're looking at how to say the syllable. En is how it's said. En. It's a very specific en sound from French. En. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.